Hey everyone, today I am excited to showcase the sweeping truck operation and training experience for mixed reality. We developed this application with a company in China called Wizmo. See, each year, millions of technicians all over the world train for their jobs. When involving heavy machinery or complex vehicles, this training can often be complex, time-consuming, and even downright dangerous. But I'm excited to announce that hands-on training has now entered the holographic age. That's right, with a training module like this sweeping truck experience, technicians can now participate in a single or multi-user experience and see in full 3D how to repair and maintain even the most complex parts of a sweeping truck. They can also fully operate the truck with a holographic console that's identical to the truck's actual control console. The application provides learning modes and testing modes so that trainees can accurately gauge their knowledge and skill. Training like this provides people with an efficient, cost-effective, and powerful way to learn how to deal with heavy machinery. And the best part is that the training with holograms is 100% safe. This is just the beginning of how we're seeing holograms transform almost every aspect of industry going forward. I'd love to hear your thoughts on training.
Don't stop.